Hey Nash, what should we make?
Let's combine America and takeout food into one deeply irresponsible snack.
All right, let's make cheeseburger egg rolls. Welcome back to Chaos Kitchen, where we love fusions and we love making snacks that we can feed to our friends. Today, we're gonna take a cheeseburger and egg rolls and combine them into one. We're gonna make some cheeseburger egg rolls. It should work, it should be delicious, and it should be pretty easy. So without further ado, let's go. So if we're gonna make burger egg rolls, we need a burger sauce. So we're gonna make something sort of reminiscent of like a In-N-Out special sauce, Big Mac sauce. We're going with about something around 4 tablespoons of mayo, about 2 tablespoons or half of that in ketchup, about a tablespoon and a half of sweet pickle relish. I don't know if this bowl might be not big enough. Oh well. Oh well. A teaspoon of mustard, about a teaspoon each of vinegar. I used apple cider because I like it, and some pickle juice. And then we got a 1/4 teaspoon each of salt, pepper. I used white pepper because I'm out of black pepper. I need to go get more. Smoked paprika, onion powder, and garlic powder. So we'll add all that. And then clean up your mess. And then we're just gonna very carefully mix this together. Since I used such a small bowl, we don't have a lot of room for error here. And there we have our burger sauce. Give it a taste. Tastes delicious. All right. Let's put that aside. Then we want to dice an onion. In a hot pan on medium heat, we add a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. Let that butter melt. Once your butter's melted, we can go ahead and throw in our onions. Hit these guys with a little bit of kosher salt. Get them all stirred in and coated with that oil and butter. And then we just want to cook these guys down until they get nice and softened and get a little bit of color on there. Once your onions are softened and have a little bit of color, then we go ahead and add a pound of 80/20 ground beef, or whatever ground beef you want to use. Or if you wanted to like use turkey or something, chicken, make it healthier, go for it. Up to you. But I figured since it's a cheeseburger, we're using beef. So get that all broken up. Try to kind of work in your onions, get everything sort of combined. At some point you want to preheat your oven to 375. We're gonna bake these because I don't really love deep frying stuff. It's kind of a pain in the ass. You could totally deep fry these, but I'm gonna show you how you can bake them and still get them crispy. Should work. More on that later. So get this cooking. Once your meat's starting to brown a little bit, we go ahead and add a little bit of kosher salt, some pepper. Again, I'm out of black pepper, so I'm using white pepper, but you should use black pepper. That would be the right move. Then add a little bit of ground mustard and some smoked paprika. Also, a little bit of garlic powder. And get that all stirred in. Then once your meat's brown, we want to add a couple of tablespoons of your burger sauce. Then we have some powdered burger sauce that we have from another video. I can link the video below if you want to know how to make that, but basically we just dehydrated a bunch of these ingredients and made a powder. But if you don't want to do that, just add another tablespoon of the burger sauce. For good measure, we'll throw a little bit of pixie dust in there. And then we have some American cheese powder, which is probably similar to like the stuff that you get in the packet for the Kraft mac and cheese. So we're just gonna add a few tablespoons of that, make it nice and cheesy. Get that all stirred in, combined. Then we're gonna kill the heat. And then I have some diced tomatoes that I drained. And you could dice some pickles, or I have some dill pickle relish here that I also drained, so we'll throw those in there. And I put these in the end because I don't want them cooked. I mean, they're gonna cook a little bit, and then they're gonna cook when we cook the egg rolls, so I didn't want to overcook them. We get that all mixed in there, and then you have this nice, beautiful, delicious slop looking stuff. So then to make our egg rolls, we get out an egg roll wrapper, lay it down like that, and we lay down some cheese right there, kind of right below the midline. Then we take a healthy scoop, put it right on top of that cheese. Then let's do a little bit more cheese on top. Whoops. Then we grab this guy, tuck and roll, and just kind of tuck it in there. And then we're gonna take a little bit of egg wash, just brush the corners. And that's just gonna act like a little bit of a glue. And then we fold up the sides, and then we roll it up, and we're done. Boom, and then set that aside. And then we just wash, rinse, and repeat. And then we just want to brush these guys lightly with some oil. Make sure and get the ends. Make sure and get both sides. And you could totally deep fry these if you want to. I'm just really not in the mood to deep fry right now, because deep frying can be kind of a pain in the ass, and I don't feel like doing it. But if you want to, you go for it. And these go into the 375 oven for probably 20 to 25 minutes. If you're not using a rack in your pan, you definitely want to flip them halfway. We're gonna check them halfway and see if they need to be flipped. But for now, off we go. And here's our guys right out of the oven, looking pretty good. We got a couple of little mini explosions, but that's all right. They'll still taste good, and that's honestly all we care about. So we're gonna let these guys cool, and we'll be back in a bit. All right, let's break one of these guys open, see what we got. Oh, look at that. It looks good. And there we have our cheeseburger egg rolls. And it's time for a bite. Cheers. It's beefy, it's cheesy, it's cheeseburgery, it's got that burger sauce flavor, all in an egg roll. Delicious combination. The perfect party snack, the perfect appetizer, or just make a dozen or two and eat them yourself. I won't tell anyone. Highly recommend. Go make these out of 10. And that's what I think, but hey, let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, how you doing?
I'm good, man. I just learned that wombat poop is cube-shaped, and honestly, I'm still processing that.
Well, check it out. We made these cheeseburger egg rolls you wanted, and of course we made a dog-friendly one just for you. Well, here you go. What do you think?
Wow, that tastes like a cheeseburger went on vacation, found itself, and came back crispier.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
You will never become who you want to be if you keep blaming everyone else for who you are now.
Nash approves, I approve. Another great fusion, a great snack. Go make it. Hey, thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you all. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. And hey, if you want to see some of our other videos, go check them out somewhere over here. And just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. Until next time, be good and peace.